this is a very weird time for me to vlog. I am actually coming back from the hospital. आज हमारी orthopedic posting थी. I'm also feeling very weird. So this is the first time I'm vlogging in like a corridor where I can potentially encounter people. So I have something to tell. This week I encountered a people or two in the corridor and we are back home. Please ignore the sweat. I have some news. I feel I'm usually not vlogging. मेरे चैनल पे कुछ भी नहीं डाल रही हूँ मैं. तो I was feeling kind of bad about it because it's not like I'm not vlogging only and I'm busy in any other thing. I'm not doing anything. So I felt like might as well do some vlogging क्योंकि aesthetic से वीडियो बनाने का तो ना मेरे पास टाइम है और ना ही मेरे में इतनी वो एनर्जी है. तो the thing is right now I feel like why I started right now is because I feel like this week is going to be very interesting. So I have exciting news. हुआ ये कि मेरा my friend Harsh wanted a kitten for so long, so we were following a page. So they put a post at 4:45 saying there are a few Persian crossed kittens available for adoption. So we were very excited, or luckily I was on my phone. No big surprise there. I was on my phone and I just saw the post. And I immediately called him and I was like, do you really want it? Like, he lives in Ganganagar, तो अगर मैं यहाँ से जाकर ले आऊँगी तो एक दो दिन मेरे पास रह लेगा, वो आके ले जाएगा. But he was like, yes, I want it and go get it soon. So 4:45 पे we saw it and 4:55 or around 5ish I reached there. I hushed my best and we reached there. Me and Ankit, we reached there at 5 and we got a kitten. Yay! How exciting it is! We got a kitten for Harsh and so there were 4 kittens. Okay, one of them had heterochromia. His one eye was blue and one eye was green and we really wanted that one. But 4:45 से लेके 5 के period के दौरान that kitten got adopted. Like literally in 15 minutes the kitten got adopted. I reached at 5, I got one kitten and the rest 2 were adopted in the next 10 minutes in front of my eyes. It was crazy. I'm so glad I hushed, I rushed and I reached there and got, not myself, got my friend a kitten. So Harsh is coming parson, Friday. I got the kitten yesterday. This is all yesterday's talk. I also posted a short about it, so please go and watch. It's very cute. It was so last minute and Harsh will be coming parson. So parson tak he's with me and he's so adorable. He's so tiny. Like I have tiny hands and he looks like the size of my hand. He can really like lie down on my hand. Like if he folds his body, he can lie down on my hand, which is crazy. He's like so tiny. Also, he camouflages with my blanket. So I am going to insert some shots of him. And yeah, parson Harsh will be coming. We'll be doing some shit. Kal also So I wanted to start this vlog yesterday. Because I felt like it will be very cool to experience because I have zero experience with kittens. And when Emma came, I so wanted to like, not at that point I didn't realize it, but now I feel like I should have vlogged the first few days with her because those days are the toughest and the best bonding experience. Because those 4 days were like really tough with Emma. Emma is not very dogs are not very dependent. तो अगर मैं 1 घंटे के लिए भी जाती थी, she used to be so sick of me. She used to be so sick of my absence. Like she used to cry and जब मैं वापस आती थी she used to smother me. And those 4 days I didn't eat. I used to rush to pee and came back. So I really feel like that would have been an experience to watch now if I would have vlogged it, but not making that mistake again. He, though the kitten, is a little bit more dependent than Emma, I won't lie, but still a very small kitten, so still pretty dependent. You know what I'm saying? Like ही डज़ नॉट लाइक माई एब्सेंस. कल तो वो मेरे को भी कल तो लाइक कल जब yesterday was तो fully occupied. I tried vlogging yesterday but I couldn't. I was so busy with him. He was not letting me do anything. But he slept for half an hour in the whole day. और उस half an hour में I just went to the mess and ate something. Otherwise मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं कल भी कुछ खाती. But yeah, he is very cute, and we are going to vlog his first something days. I will also insert clips when he's crying or when he's being needy. Right now though, I played the cat sleeping calming music, whatever that is. It's really a game changer, by the way. It really calms them down apparently. So yeah, cats are a lot different than dogs, and I am learning a little and taking you along with this journey. It is a very weird place for me to vlog. He does not like to be petted. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so cute, aren't you? Oh. Yes. Yes, you're so cute. You're so cute. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, you're so cute. You're adorable. You're adorable little boy. Also, changed into my PJs, and also my room is literally a mess right now because of this little fur ball. I am trying to entertain him as best as I can. Yesterday he was crying a lot, like a lot. For 3 to 4 hours he was straight up just crying. I tried a lot to comfort him, play with him, give him things to play with. He was not entertaining at all. Once he slept, meanwhile I had my dinner, and when I came back he woke up, and after that he seemed a little more comfortable. He seemed like he recognizes me, and basically I feel like he started feeling safe with me once he had a little nap here. And well, now he plays. He cries in my absence, but when I'm here he plays and he sleeps and he tries to talk to me, and I'm so happy. His little meows are like so little. I can sort of tell apart when he's crying or when he's trying to tell me something. Like when he's calling me or when he's crying, I can now tell apart. But yeah, progress. कम बिल्लू, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, कम कम, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. Yes, good बिल्लू, good बिल्लू, good बिल्ला. तो हर्ष सर, मोगली के पापा, has finally given us a name. मोगली, has finally given us a name, which is आ जाओ, कम, आ जाओ। इतना नखरा है कि खुद से नहीं चढ़ेगा। आ जाओ। So presenting to the world, Mowgli. Your name is Mowgli. Yes, you like it? मैंने योडा सजेस्ट किया था, बट आई अंडरस्टैंड हमारे घरों में योडा जैसा नाम सक्सेसफुल हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वो सबसे पहले तो वो योडा से योडा होगा, फिर वो रोडा, मोडा, गोडा, पता नहीं क्या क्या होगा। बेचारा बच्चा ही कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा कि मुझे किस चीज़ पे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है। तो वी थॉट मोगली इज़ अ गुड नाइस देसी नेम, मोगली। एंड हियर वी आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम प्लेइंग। मेरा मन कर रहा है इसकी बहुत सारी मीम्स बनाऊं मैं। बिल्कुल मीम वाले बिल्ले जैसा दिखता है ये। जस्ट लुक एट दिस। और मे बी वी कैन डू दिस। Please ignore the mess, but my hair is very greasy right now. I have two options. I can either wash my hair today and let Mowgli rest, because Mowgli अभी सो रहा था, बट फिर मैंने इसे जगा दिया क्योंकि फिर ये रात को नहीं सोता, बहुत पैपड़ा करता है। तो फिर I have two options, या तो मैं इसको सोने दूँ और अपना स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर और सब कर दूँ, क्योंकि फिर या फिर मैं कल इसको अंकित के यहाँ छोड़ दूँ और फिर अपना स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर कर दूँ। बट एनीवेज करना तो मेरे को है ही, क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत ऑयली हो रखे हैं। ऊपर से आज इतनी देर भूखे खा के हॉस्पिटल में पसीना आ गया है बालों में। हाय यू गाइस, मैं भूल ही गई थी व्लॉग करना, फिर मुझे याद आया कि मुझे व्लॉग करना चाहिए। सो दिस इज़ द सेम डे, इट्स 2nd of May, और मैं बहुत हिम्मत करके जा रही हूँ अपने ईयर पियर्स कराने। मैंने इस तरफ पियर्सिंग कराई हुई है और फिर इस तरफ मेरे दर्द हो गया था तो मैंने इधर नहीं करवाई। और अब हर कोई मेरे से पूछता है कि एक साइड पियर्सिंग है एक साइड नहीं है, तो मैं आई एम गोइंग टू फिक्स इट। फाइनली आई गॉट द करेज। सो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये छोटा सा गेट रेडी विद मी फिल्म कर लेती हूँ।